Diamondback News.
I am Alejandro Soto.
And I am Emmanuel Mendoza.
These are the announcements for September 17th and 18th.
Sharyland North Junior High's mission is to inspire, educate, and empower all students to reach their full potential and become leaders of the highest moral character.
Every day, every class, attendance matters. Please make sure you bring in an excuse from parents or doctors if you are absent.
Capturing kids' hearts, shade of the month, empathy. Empathy is understanding and feeling what others are experiencing.
Tardies. How to avoid tardies. Do not walk friends to class and walk straight to class. 4 to 6 tardies will give you lunch detention. 7 to 9 tardies will give you after school detention. 10 or more will give you ISS.
Cell phones must remain in the off position in your backpacks between 8:15 through 4:05.
Students with perfect attendance for the 6 weeks will receive nachos and drinks. Each 6 weeks will have a new incentive for those students with perfect attendance.
Student Council. Are you ready to make a difference and represent your classmates? Student Council offers sign-ups are right now open for all 7th and 8th graders. This is your chance to be a leader, help plan fun events, and have your voice heard. Don't wait. Sign up by Friday, September 19th at 4 p.m. in room 809. Step up, get involved, and make this school year amazing. Be a leader. Be you. Run for Student Council today.
Book fair announcement. Monday through Friday, visit before school, during lunch, after school.
Yearbook pre-sale. Pre-order your yearbook now. Go to www.buytheyearbook.com. Use school code 730772.
Get ready for UIL season. Practices have kicked off. If you're eager to join in on the fun and participate in the UIL event, come chat with one of the coaches or swing by Mr. Briones' room in PA4 in the Performing Arts Building.
Sharyland North Go Gold Toy Drive, hosted by Sharyland North Volleyball, September 8th through September 29th. Please drop off any donations to room 816 in Coach Cantu's room.
Lord, I am filled with awe. See you at the pole. Global Day of Student Prayer, September 24th.
Games of the week. Football. September 15th at Palmview High School, 6 and 7 p.m. versus Salinas Middle School, 8th grade. September 16th at Pioneer High School at 6 through 7 p.m. versus Morris Middle School.
Games of the week. Volleyball, 7th. September 8th at Fossum, 6 through 7 p.m. versus Fossum Middle School. 8th, September 18th at home, 6 through 7 p.m. versus Fossum Middle School. Go Diamondbacks.
FCA. Join us every Friday morning at 7:40 in the competition gym. Students and staff are encouraged to attend.
And now, Diamondback News presents Room Tours.
Hello, Diamondbacks! And we are here in Mr. Briones' classroom, PA4.
Fellow, and there's the trophies that he has won from Mama, and there's this beautiful chair.
This is what the This is where he keeps all the theater production stuff, where he plays, and where the magic happens.
Our videos for the news production team.
Our first pep rally of the year took place on Wednesday. Let's take a look at the highlights.
Students are required to wear an ID around their necks at all times during the school day. If an ID is lost or damaged, replacements will cost $5. Please be aware that failing to have an ID may result in detention or in-school suspension, ISS.
Lost an item. A reminder that our lost and found is located in our assistant principal's office. Please stop by during the day if you have misplaced any one of your items.
Lunch menu for today, September 17th. Lemon pepper chicken, dinner roll, green beans, baked potato, half, burger salad and choice of milk.
Lunch menu for tomorrow, September 18th. Macho nachos, Spanish brown rice, taco salad, seasoned black beans, sliced jalapeno, burger salad, and choice of milk.
Diamondbacks who are celebrating a birthday today, Damian Rodriguez.
Diamondbacks are celebrating a birthday tomorrow. Adia Ramirez.
That's everything for today. Thanks for watching Diamondback News. You stay classy, Sharyland North.